The new Cabrio 5000 high-efficiency washers use advanced technology throughout the cycle. We'll show you how it works. The navigation bar will help guide you through the wash cycle process. You can skip between steps of the process by pressing the buttons below. First, load the washer. Add items evenly in loose heaps around the basket wall. Because the Cabrio 5000 washers use less water than traditional washers, a high-efficiency HE detergent that produces less suds is needed for cleaning and rinsing. Look for the HE label on the box or bottle. Before you start the washer, measure your laundry products according to the manufacturer's directions and add them to the correct dispensers. To avoid damaging clothes, never put chlorine bleach or fabric softener directly on top of the items in the washer. Precision Dispense will automatically dispense the laundry products to the load at the proper time in the cycle. Add the measured HE detergent into the detergent dispenser at the center of the drawer. Do not fill any dispenser past the max fill line because overfilling can cause the product to empty too soon. When using fabric softener, you will also need to push the fabric softener button to ensure proper dispensing. In the case of liquid chlorine bleach, the washer funnels the bleach between the basket and the tub to be diluted with water before mixing into the load. Close the lid and select your desired wash setting. At the beginning of the cycle, the sensing light will turn on and you will hear the lid lock, unlock, and lock again in order to allow for proper load sensing. This is part of normal operation and sensing. Locking the lid allows for high-speed spinning. The Cabrio 5000 washers with H2-Low wash system work differently to sense load size and fabric type. It first spins the dry load, then adds water, briefly moves the load, and then pauses to allow time for the water to soak into the load. Depending on the load size, intervals of spins, fills, and pauses will continue until the right amount of water is added. Items will be wet but may not be completely underwater. This is normal for a low-water washer and still provides excellent cleaning while saving water and energy. The appropriate water level will be determined by the pressure switch that measures the air pressure in the air dome. The delicate, rinse and spin, bulky, and soak cycles use a different process for water level and use slightly more water than other cycles. The Care Control temperature management system will determine the appropriate temperature based on the selected setting. The valves will add the appropriate amount of hot and cold water based on the sensor reading. The cold water setting may add a small amount of hot water to the mixing chamber, while the tap cold setting is the temperature of the household cold water tap. As the wash temperature is being mixed, the dispenser drawer is flushed to add HE detergent to the washer. During the cycle, water pours into the dispenser drawer from several jets. The action from the jets mixes the detergent or fabric softener with water before flowing into the washer. The detergent water mix will flow onto the load at the beginning of the wash fill. Some models have a pre-soak option which adds a brief soak to any cycle. The soak cycle provides extra water and time to work on tough stains and soils. Soak time can be adjusted by pushing the soil level button. The washer will fill halfway and then soak the load for the time associated with the soil level selected. See the use and care guide for more details. The H2-Low wash system cleans the load effectively and efficiently through the following actions. The unique wash plate moves the clothes against each other to aid cleaning. The combined action of the wash plate and the basket move the load through the water. Toward the end of the wash cycle, you may notice shorter back and forth motions or strokes to ensure the load is evenly distributed prior to drain and spin. This sound may be different than you're accustomed to. Less water also means concentrated cleaning. Rather than diluting detergent in a traditional washer, Cabrio 5000 washers with the H2-Low wash system deliver the detergent directly to the soil. Here's more detail on how concentrated cleaning works. Traditional washers use a large amount of water. The same amount of detergent in this large amount of water is diluted and may not effectively reach all soils and stains. In a high-efficiency washer, the detergent is mixed with a small amount of water and is delivered directly to the soils and stains. Quiet spin technology then spins the load to remove even more detergent and soils held in the wash water, allowing for efficient use of rinse water. At the end of the wash cycle, the wash water will empty through the drain hose at the back of the washer. A slowing spin is used to shower the load with rinse water. For some cycles, the spinning stops and additional water is added, followed by rinse action. The fabric softener and water mix will flow onto the load at the beginning of the rinse fill. The fabric softener option must be selected to ensure proper distribution at the correct time in the cycle. Rinsing water levels, load movement, and draining are similar to wash, except for the normal cycle, which uses spray rinsing. During the final spin, quiet spin technology spins the load at variable spin speeds in order to maintain balance and maximize water removal. The basket progresses through spinning and coasting to achieve the highest spin speed, which saves drying time and energy. Once the cycle is complete, the washer will automatically unlock and the done indicator will light up.